I just had a moment in remembering that it's Mother's Day tomorrow, and because here in New Zealand we're currently inundated with feijoas, I thought I would make a feijoa and banana cake to share with Mum for afternoon tea. It is so simple, raw, healthy, and with a little scoop of yoghurt, it is absolutely delicious. So what you'll need is 2 bananas, 10 feijoas, and we're going to take the flesh out and chop that up. 1 cup of dates. If you've got the big medjool dates, make sure that they are pitted and soaked. 2 cups of coconut or almond flour, or 1 of each. I find that the almond flour or meal can tend to be quite expensive, so it's really easy just to wash your own almonds, dry them on a light heat in the oven or a dehydrator, and then blend them up to make your own flour. 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, 4 eggs, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1 dessert spoon of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And the last ingredient for me, not the cake, is a glass of wine. At this time of night, I'm going to enjoy a glass of wine while we're baking. So it's as simple as throwing all the ingredients in with the exception of the feijoas. Then you want to roughly cut up the feijoa flesh until you get this chunky kind of texture like this. Then fold your blended cake mixture in with your feijoas. Pop in a lined and or greased cake tin. Okay, so that is looking pretty good to me. So quick and easy to make. I'm going to let it sit there and cool, and then tomorrow I'm going to cut it up and enjoy it with Mum.